This year, Pakistan is hosting World Environment Day 2021 in partnership with UNEP. A nod from the international community recognizing Pakistan's commitment to progress on climate action and conservation. Spurred by the successful launch of the Prime Minister's Clean and Green Pakistan movement and 10 billion tree tsunami program in 2018, the government in 2020 announced its aim to have at least 7 of its national parks of both new and rehabilitated registered under the IUCN Green List of Protected Areas, the gold standard for conservation. Each one of us can make our mark in helping to restore nature. The Parks and Horticulture Authority Lahore is actively playing its part by supporting the mission to regenerate green space within the country's second largest metropolis. In partnership with Lahore Civil Society, a citywide afforestation initiative was launched in 2018 using the Miyawaki plantation method, which ensures 10 times faster growth, 30 times denser plantation, and 20 times more biodiversity than non-native natural forest. 51 sites have already been completed, with an additional 55 projected to be added. In addition to large-scale afforestation, PHA is making strides in minimizing waste across Lahore's parks. The authority is investing in locally made machinery to expedite the process to compost organic waste, enabling a reduction in the waste to compost window from 180 days to just 15 days. The resulting compost has numerous benefits, from enriching soil and reducing reliance on chemical fertilizers to encouraging the growth of beneficial microorganisms and mitigating methane emissions from decomposing organic waste. The PHA is also taking the movement to reimagine, recreate, and restore urban green spaces into the hidden ecosystems all across our cities, our balconies, backyards, and gardens. With Take a Tree Carts initiative around the city offering sapling to citizens free of charge, the authority is helping influence habits and behavior. All initiatives are in sync with this year's launch of the UN's Decade on Ecosystem Restoration. Standing at a critical juncture in the fight to reverse climate change and avert mass extinction, this generation has the greatest stake in making peace with nature. Together, we can heal our planet and be Generation Restoration.